AWS Amplify AppSync integration is a powerful tool that enables developers to build scalable and secure mobile and web applications. To understand this concept, let's break it down into its components. AWS Amplify is a development platform that helps developers build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. AppSync, on the other hand, is a managed GraphQL service that makes it easy to build scalable, offline-enabled, and real-time mobile and web applications. The integration of AWS Amplify and AppSync allows developers to leverage the benefits of both services. With Amplify, developers can easily set up and manage the backend of their application, including authentication, APIs, and storage. AppSync provides a managed GraphQL service that enables real-time and offline data access, making it ideal for building applications that require instantaneous data updates. To get started with AWS Amplify AppSync integration, developers need to create an AWS Amplify project and set up an AppSync API. This involves defining the data model, resolvers, and authentication mechanisms for the API. Once the API is set up, developers can use the Amplify CLI to generate client-side code that interacts with the AppSync API. A key benefit of using AWS Amplify AppSync integration is the ability to build offline-enabled applications. AppSync provides a local data store that caches data, allowing applications to function even when offline. When the application comes back online, AppSync automatically synchronizes the data, ensuring that the application remains up to date. Best practices for using AWS Amplify AppSync integration include using a consistent data model across the application, implementing robust authentication and authorization mechanisms, and optimizing data storage and retrieval for performance. By following these best practices, developers can build scalable, secure, and high-performance applications that provide a seamless user experience. In summary, AWS Amplify AppSync integration is a powerful tool that enables developers to build scalable, secure, and real-time mobile and web applications. By leveraging the benefits of both Amplify and AppSync, developers can create applications that provide a seamless user experience, even in offline or low network conditions. By following best practices and using the Amplify CLI to generate client-side code, developers can build high-performance applications that meet the needs of their users.